just to recap, as you saw from the video today, we went in, we pretty much did the termination of all the lines, we did all this stuff, and just it's kind of a little tired, but it's okay. I'm so happy because at least I can honestly say that I have set up a network, a full network from start to finish in a sense. Now we still got to do the install of the network appliances from the small modem and everything from the service provider. The cable has already been ran in terms of the coax cable, so they just have to do their point outside, the demarcation point, and then just come in and terminate the wire, and then we take it from there and plug it into our internal networking equipment. Now, it's very rare that IT professionals get the opportunity to actually set up a full network from start to finish. Often we are managing and maintaining it. And in this instance, Dimension Technologies has gotten the opportunity to do a full computer network install for the new building. So I am overly excited about this opportunity. I cannot wait. I am just thrilled to see where this is going to go from that point. Now, my question to you all is definitely let me know if you have any questions about anything that was done in the video. I'm, of course, filming things because I want you all to kind of know what's going on. But I can honestly say that setting up and purchasing all this equipment up front, like the cables, the wires, of course, the patch panels, the wall mounts, like all that. I have to get all that from the beginning. I'm plan all that out, get that stuff in, then focus on the install, running the cables in the new building. Like all of that, you all, has been such an amazing experience. And my thing is, if you are in the IT field, do not hesitate at all for future reference to do this, okay? Because it is like so amazing being able to do this particular type of install. So definitely like, listen, subscribe to the channel. I'm definitely going to bring more content to you soon. This is just me following up a little bit before I head in, start over tomorrow. Please send this video to your family or friends who are in IT or somebody who just want to know more and learn more. Subscribe.